following the line over there? Yeah, pretty close. Man, I love walnut. Such a nice wood to work. Bringing it back on the line on this side. How am I looking on that side? Good, good. Ta-da! Good there. Let's do one pass of the joiner. Make sure I get a flat surface on here. So what I can do with this is I can look at my reflection on here and it'll let me know if I'm leaning this way as well as leaning this way. So I can set my saw on there. Ooh, oh shoot, blew out. I put a little nick in the corner right there. Slide it over to the corner. This will get me close. There we go. There we go. That's feeling good. Here's the breakthrough. There we go. One. Almost. Need a little more. Oh, I like that. Nice and tight. Good fit down. again. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. 45, because you get these splinters that just pop out. So, yep, that's the right way. Slide it all the way down in. Let the glue squeeze. Grab your rag. And see how accurate we are. Wow. That is pleasant right there. On here, give that a little twist, and then we're going to do all of our checking and adjustments. She needs to go back just a little bit. One. Boom. 2. Square set. Now what can we do to make those even better? Check out what Nate sent me. Ebony piano keys. Let's make some ebony dowels. bit off of here, just a little bit. There we go. So, what kind of finish should I put on it? That stuff. Oh yeah. Look at that walnut pop. There we go. Let's let those sit. So there you have it, a project making squares without a square. Now if you'd like to actually see the how-to where I talk through in detail all of these steps and what I was thinking, why I did it that way, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How-To. I'll leave a link to that down in the description down below. And on that channel, we actually do the detailed how-to. So I have fun videos on this channel. That's the channel where I do all the teaching, and also have Thursdays where I talk through a technique or a tool, and we go live every Tuesday over there. So if you want to see more of that, you can find that down below. But this was a very fun one. You don't really need a lot of things to make a square. A square is a fairly simple thing, and you can use the board trick to see if it's square. I have an entire video on how do you square up a square without a square. So if you want to see that, I'll try and leave a link to that down below as well. But it is a fun, simple project. You can make very fancy, or you can make a little bit simpler. These particular ones I'm actually going to be giving as a gift to my Secret Santa this year. So we have a group on Facebook called the Hive Mind Facebook group. And in there I bounce ideas off the group, and we do some fun things from occasions. So we're doing a Secret Santa this year, and this is what I'm sending off. So one of you are getting this. So if you do have any ideas, comments, questions, thoughts, let me know those down below. I do read through all the comments and answer as many of them as I can. On top of that, I want to say thank you to the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, people who bought things off of the Wood by Wright store. I cannot say that enough, because you quite literally are the reason that this channel keeps on going. You may have noticed I don't have any sponsors or anyone who's writing the channel telling me what to say. I want to make this for you. So thank you for that. And if you'd like to help out with that, you can find out more in the description down below, or you can click that little join button and become a member here on YouTube. So that'll do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. You know, in college, people kept telling me that I was such a square, and I can prove it. I am not square.